everyone, how are you? I hope all of you doing absolutely fine. We are starting new chapter electricity. I hope people are excited on starting new chapter electricity. Electricity is the fourth basic needs of our life after food, clothes and home. Without electricity, even we can't make this video through the mobile. So first of all, I am going to discuss about charge. Charge is the property of matter. Charge is the property of matter which can produce electric field, magnetic field, as well as experience electric and magnetic forces. Quantization of charge. The charge on any body is always integral multiple of charge on one electrons. Suppose a body A initially it has no charge. That means body A is a neutral body. When one electron insert into this body, then minus E negative charge produced on this body. When we insert two electrons on this body, then charge produced on this body equal to two times of charge on one electron with negative sign. Similarly, when we insert n into e number of electrons in this body, then minus n into e charge produced on this body. Similarly, when we remove n into e number of electrons from neutral body A, then plus n into e positive charge produced on this body. So mathematically we can written as q is equal to n into e, where q is equal to charge on body, n is equal to number of transfer of electrons, e is equal to charge on one electron, and its value is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. Q equal to positive charge for excess number of electrons and Q is equal to negative for less number of electrons. Minimum charge on any body is equal to n into E is equal to 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. Electric current, the rate of flow of charge in a wire in unit time along a certain direction is known as electric current. It is represented by small I and its unit is ampere. Coulomb per second is also units of electric current. Electric current is the scalar quantity because they do not obey the law of addition of vectors. Formula I is equal to q upon t is equal to ne upon t, where I is equal to electric current, q is equal to charge, t is equal to time, n is equal to number of transfer electron, e is equal to charge on one electrons. Is it okay? Electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as the work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinite to that point. It is represented by V and its unit is volt or joule per coulomb. Formula: V is equal to W upon Q, where V is equal to electric potential at a point, W is equal to work done in bringing a positive charge plus Q from infinite to given point. Potential difference: work done in bringing unit positive charge from one point to another point in presence of electric field is known as electric potential difference between these 2 points. Potential difference between 2 points is equal to W upon Q, where W is equal to work done in bringing plus Q charge from one point to another point.